So from Gemendhoo we reached the first island, nearby island. It's quite inhabited one. You can have a look. In this island nothing is there, just a coconut trees and fresh trees. You are supposed to be asking where is the fruits, right? Maybe the islanders used to collect the coconuts and the fruits, whatever is there in this island. They will collect and go once in a while. You can see it's a quite very calm place. Looks like almost like a garden or a forest type. Just eco environment, right? So you can have a look. Very small island. Now I'm going. The island is going to be finished from one corner to another corner. From that another corner, you can watch the Gemendhoo Island. So you can, from that side, we are moving to this side. Yeah. It's quite daring adventure because we came all through from that island to this island through kayak. You can see that is Gemendhoo Island where I used to stay. So quite daring adventure only without any safety precautions. And just we took with only with the hope and confidence level.